restricted environment, and also helps in securing them even though malware is being attacked by the external user. While automatic update ensures that the Chromebook receives the latest system security update automatically, minimizing the risk of exploitation. Means that the Chromebook updates itself automatically and reduce the risk of exploitation, malware, and external virus spread. Verify the integrity of the system or the operating system as startup, ensuring that it's not tampered with. Means that during boot up, the operating system it runs and verifies the integrity to make sure that the BIOS and every other diagnosis runs properly and is not tampered with. Data encryption, encrypt data for default, encrypt data by default, protecting it from unauthorized users. Data in the Chromebook OS are being encrypted by an encryption key. With this encryption key, any external user cannot decrypt the data on the system without the decryption key. And any authorized user will need the decryption key to access its storage and the data in the computer system. While Google Safe Browser protect user from malicious websites, download and enhancing browser safety. When during this time, when we want to access the Chromebook OS, like we want to access our browser through the Chromebook, when we enroll a website that we want to use, the Chromebook helps us to detect if the website or the site is either safe or not, and it gives us list of dangerous and malicious websites that will help us prevent either by hacking or theft of data. Then another colleague will take MacBook OS.
Taking the Mac security features. Number one is Gatekeeper. Gatekeeper is like a security guard for the Mac. It prevents installation of apps that are not from the App Store, so that will prevent virus and that type of stuff. This is firewalls. This encrypts the entire hard drive to protect user data from unauthorized access. This is very useful when your Mac gets stolen or is lost. Just scrambles the property in the hard drive, not for reuse to access. The next one is exploit. This stands for known malware and prevents execution, enhancing security against malicious software. Exploit is a built-in antivirus for Mac, and like I said, it just stands for malware. Malware means software like virus or something. So it stands for malware and prevents execution. The next one is security update. You must always update your Mac because the more updates come, the more enhanced security come. So you just have to keep to the security updates. Apps sandboxing. Sandboxing means isolating. So apps and this limits the access of applications to system resources, preventing against malware and enhancing security. When you sandbox your apps, it won't be able to get to the files or the system. So every app operates on their own sandbox. These security features, they all provide a layer of enhancements to the system, keeping it safe and keeping the system files from unpleasant files or the compromised files.
Now, the floor is open for questions and discussions. In case you have anything to add to the presentation, then you can ask your questions.
Let the audience ask the questions. Audience, please ask questions. Someone is signifying, please get in the mic.
So, good morning, everyone.
Yeah, good morning.
So, guy here was talking about the gatekeeper commands security. He said prevents the installation of additional software to verify the digital signature of application. So I want to ask, is this feature available on the Windows also? For the Mac, they are not you barely can install third-party applications. But for the Windows, it's easier. Like if you go to desktop.pc.com, you can get to a lot of third-party apps like Photoshop, you get. But for the Mac, because of their item of security, it's more just the app store to download anything.
Are you saying I cannot install app other than installing from the App Store using Mac?
There are ways to install on the Mac, but it's more secure. Like now, Photoshop is all about going about the payment of Photoshop now. The first set of persons here, the issue affected was Mac users because their systems are very protected and easier compared to the Windows. For the Windows now, you can still be using Photoshop on paid, but for now, for Mac users, Photoshop are being paid for.
Okay. So the second question.
So, among all the examples of OS you guys have
Please be audible.
among the examples of OS you guys have listed, which can we pick as the best?
Among the three OS we have listed, Mac, Chromebook, and Windows. Me particularly, I've used Windows and slightly of Mac OS, but I would say that Mac OS is more secure. That the data analytics is being shared between you and the owner of the company, which is Steve Hughes, and there's no other third party sharing or using your data. While of Windows, at least it's more faster and more easier to use. The commands block are more easier than the Mac OS. While for Chrome, I'm only going to
So you're saying in essence, which is better? Because the question is, say out of the three, Windows, Mac, and Chromebook, which is better?
I would say Mac OS due to data security. While for Windows, it's easier to use. Or just Windows.
Does it mean when it comes to data security, Chromebook does not have data security? Or does it mean Windows does not have data security? Or is it that Mac data security is higher than all others?
What I'm saying is that Mac data security is higher in the sense that there are not of parting with any other people. It's between you and the company, which is the user and the Apple Mac OS. While for Chrome and Windows, they're always third party. You can download any unlicensed software from the internet. But for Mac, you have to be a developer. You have to break some certain rules before you be able to download any third party app from Mac OS.
Okay. I have installed a Mac app from Get Into PC, a site, and that was not available on the Mac app or the App Store. Sorry, not available on the App Store. So why did it allow it if Mac can only allow installation from their store? Windows also have a store.
Yes.
Windows have a store.
What I'm saying that you can download app from getpc.com. That's what I'm saying that you have to turn on the developer option on the Mac OS. Even on your phone, on Apple phone, you have to turn on the developer option to be able to use to enable you to download from the third party application of that website.
Okay. So any of the Mr. Izu, you wanted to make some contribution?
For the Mac OS, the majority of the apps we have there on the Mac OS, you cannot get some, especially the photography apps we use, you cannot get some on the Mac their store. The reason why is that probably the application is not partnering with Mac, or they are not sharing the partnership with Mac, and you need that application. That's why we go into third-party apps. Go to online stores, we can load what we need. Most of the software we use in our system today are not partners. 80% of all the things you see in Apple Store or you see in Windows Microsoft Store, they are partnering with Microsoft in one way or the other. So that's why you cannot see those apps on their store.
Okay, this group have done well, so is there another question from the audience? In the absence of any other questions, let's give the hands of applause, please. Then you can take your seats. Thank you very much for your presentation. Please, group 2 should take over the stage for their presentation.